Welcome to day 2 of my Thailand adventure. Today's going to be more of a chill day, but as always ends in a dramatic way. You'll see soon. Hi you guys, good morning. So I wanted to say that I'm staying at Maya Bay Beach Hotel, maybe? It's like right on the beach. Hold on. Focus. It's right on the beach. I'm actually glad that I'm literally not right on the beach. I'm like a few bungalows away because I have tsunami fears, like hardcore. Last night I was tripping myself out. I literally googled like all these things about tsunamis, like safety information or how to save your life during a tsunami, because it started raining and I was freaking out that it's like tsunami and moonsun. What is it called? Moonsun. There's cute little butterflies flying everywhere. There's cicadas. If you don't know what cicadas are, they're these horrible animals. Wow, there's so many butterflies. There's like over 10 right now. Yesterday, I was so tired after my long excursion. And on the way back, I got a foot massage. I went to a hookah bar. And then on the way back, it started raining. And I was like, holy shit, I am not prepared for this. So, anyways, I was so exhausted that I literally fell asleep on my bed with a phone in my hand, in my bikini, and I was just, because I wanted to take a shower, and I was like, girl, you're not getting into your bed without taking a shower. So I was like sandy and salty and injured and sunburnt, but no, I slept on top of the cover, which is so weird because I can't sleep without a blanket. Totally random and weird. I woke up today and I was like, what happened? It's like a hangover, but I didn't drink anything. Anyways, today I'm taking more of a chill approach. Yesterday was really, really exhausting. It was like way too much in one day. I think I've seen almost everything there is to see. Today I think I'm just gonna chill. By chill I mean get a foot massage. I might go do the fish that eat like your dead skin on your feet. That's always fun. I just hope they don't go to my injury because I know that they tend to do that. That would be really freaking gross. Yesterday I hit the coral reef. I went snorkeling, the tide was low, fucking coral reef got me. I thought it was like not a big deal. I thought it was like, oh, like it's just a little scratch, which it is kind of just a little scratch or whatever you want to call it, but the more I started to try to swim, the more it was hurting like really bad. What's going on over there? Oh, it's a human. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so the more I thought like, oh, it's not a big deal, it just really was a big deal. It just kept stinging, and every single time I stuck my feet into the water with the salt water, it's really salty here, it would just hurt so bad. Like I was just like, I don't even want to go snorkeling anymore. We stopped at like 6 different snorkel spots. I was like, I'm good. Some of them I just like dived in just for the heck of it. But I still managed to get a pretty nice sunburn here. Now it's turning into a tan. Got a new bathing suit. Really excited about that. I used my bargaining skills yesterday. I hooked my girl up, Morgan, got her deal, and then I was like, damn, that's a really good deal I just got us. It just got you. Maybe I should hook myself up too. And so I ended up getting it. So she got the red one, or the burgundy one, I got the black one. Today I wanted to check out a little bit more of the island and explore it. There's not so many things you can do in Phi Phi, but there's definitely a lot of things going on. I love finding cute little spots throughout my travels. Normally, if I find something or a place that I like, I usually end up eating there and dining there and going there every single day for the rest of my trip. And that's probably due to good food and good people. Just got an amazing watermelon shake. Probably a 4-year-old made it for me. She was so cute and good at it. It was amazing. After exploring a bit on my own, I decided to make my way to the other side of the island and meet up with some good old friends I met a couple days earlier on an airplane. So today I'm kind of having a chill day. It's so funny, this guy right here. We met on my flight from China to Bangkok. Well, I was going to the Maldives, he was going to Bangkok and Phuket, and we knew that we were going to be here together, so we stayed in touch, and here we are, hanging out, smoking hookah on the beach, just having a chill day, eating some, playing with this adorable girl. I'm like obsessed with her. She put this flower in my hair.
I completely fell in love with this kid. I wanted to take her home with me. She was so adorable. She didn't say much, but she just kept giving me everything she found. She cracked us up so bad.
She's trying to give it to you.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, take it. Thank you. Wait, can I put flour in your hair?
Aw, completely obsessed with this kid. Then I was off to Dr. Fish, my most dramatic moment of the day. Curious to know how many of you guys have done this, would do this, and what your experience was like. Okay guys, I'm doing the Dr. Fish. Dr. Fish? Yes. Oh my god, I'm scared.
I'm scared. They're just kissing you. Put your leg in.
I know, hold on. Oh my
It
god.
doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
I know, I haven't done this in a long time. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do one first.
Actually, you put two legs together. More easy. Just put your leg in. Yes, put down and don't move. Lola su steda sababa.
Look at you, you're so funny.
Okay, stay still.
I can't.
You can do. You can do. You can do. Try. Try.
Oh my god, I can't. I don't know why I'm so scared. Am I the only one that's scared like this? Everybody's scared or no? Almost.
But actually, you just put your leg in. More easy.
Okay, hold on.
If you always take your leg up, difficult to do. Just put it down and don't move. You will be okay.
It hurts?
No. Make dang. Local egg. Local egg.
You are so funny.
Put down and don't move. If you're moving, also they're scared.
Oh my god, I can't.
No, you can do. You can do.
Oh my god, you guys, I'm so scared. I did this 2 years ago. I don't know why I'm so scared.
Can help you.
Okay, help me.
Okay. 1, 2. I go with you.
Hi!
Lola sis, you move more. Move more. Otherwise, it hurt your leg. Okay. Lola sis, stay across the baba.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I can't.
You can do. You can do.
Oh my god.
No, it's just the beginning. It's just the before. You done before. You get used to it. If you're always moving, difficult. Okay, don't take up. Relax. Relax. Okay. You can do now.
Oh my gosh. You saved my
You okay now? Okay, you get used to it. You get used to it.
But I don't want them to go into
Just
my
stay
blood.
still.
No?
No.
I think I just had an anxiety attack. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. We're at Dr. Fish, you guys. Dr. Fish. So I just made the biggest fool out of myself for I screamed so loud. Okay, let me give you guys a recap of what happened. I have a lot of dead skin on my feet because I walk a lot and I do flip-flops all day, every day. This is so awkward and weird. Okay, anyways, there's one Dr. Fish on the island. These are basically special fish. And these special fish, what they do is they feed off of dead skin. So they're getting quite the meal right now. One was even daring me. He went up to the back of my leg. Anyways, so the first few minutes are the weirdest. She literally spoke to me in Hebrew. She's like, just put it in 2 minutes and everything's gonna be fine. I literally tried like a few times. I couldn't get myself to do it. Literally screamed. She had to hold my legs down and I started screaming. It's just the weirdest feeling. It's such a weird feeling. I can't describe it. If you haven't done it, you definitely should try it. It doesn't hurt. It just feels really freaking weird. For some reason, the fish are loving this foot. No one's caring for this one. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure. There's literally like 2 on this foot. How does that make sense? Doesn't it feel weird? I literally screamed so loud, everybody turned around.
Thanks for watching my adventure. Stay tuned for the next video where I hike the highest point view of Phi Phi Island. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys. Bye!